In this walkthrough, we're going to cover how to set up a Windows 10 or 11 template on vSphere, specifically tailored for seamless use with Workspot. So let's jump right in. Begin by logging into the VM as an administrator. The account we're going to use is our template. Install any applications you'd like to include. Now head over to download.workspot.com and grab the latest Workspot agent. Once that's done, fire up a command prompt as an administrator and run the Workspot agent installation. When prompted, enter your Workspot admin control account and password and click Next. Once your template is successfully registered, hit OK and then Finish. Now navigate to C, Program Data, Workspot Agent and File Explorer. Go to the Properties of the Configuration folder, go to the Security tab, click Edit, and make sure administrators have full access. Next, go to C, Program Files, Workspot Agent, and run the Workspot Config Editor file as an administrator. In the Workspot Configuration Editor, fill in the blanks for service domain, username password, join domain, and machine object OU. Click Test Secure Connection. After the task completes successfully, click OK and then Submit. Finally, when you're ready, go ahead and shut down the VM. Use vCenter to smoothly convert it into a template. And there you have it. Your Windows template is now ready to use with Workspot.